Welcome to 30 Days to Build an AI. Every day we'll spend just around 10 minutes building step by step, and best of all, it's completely free. Welcome to day 13. Today we're learning how to use Find to locate files and folders in Linux. We'll finish with a working Whoogle search tool that our AI can use right now. If you're excited to build along with me, let's train YouTube together. Like, comment, share, and subscribe so you don't miss a single day. Let's open up our Ubuntu server. Start typing Ubuntu in the search bar, and when it appears in your menu, just click on it. Remember Ctrl+ if you want to make the font bigger. So as always, we will start by installing our updates. Remember sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Why? Our first find is looking for a specific name's text file, example 1, where our second find command searches from the current directory down, looking for any file with a .txt extension. The dot means start here. Here we add type D to only match directories. This finds any folder called models in our current location. This searches etc., but only one folder deep with a max depth 1. We also filter with type F to only show files, and head N5 limits to the first 5 results. This finds all markdown files, then for each one it runs WCAL to count the lines. The is replaced by the file name, and the semicolon ends the exec command. Again, we limit output to the first 5. Let's move on to our next install. First, we install PV, short for Pipe Viewer, which lets us control the speed of output in the terminal. Here we pipe text into PV and use KL12 to limit it to 12 characters per second. This gives a typewriter effect. This sends the throttle text into cowsay, so the cow's speech bubble appears as if it's speaking in slow motion. Here we take text, slow it down with PV, and send it to espeak so it's read aloud at a relaxed pace.
Hello, this is PV with espeak.
Finally, we create a file with 3 lines, then use PV to output it slowly at 8 characters per second. Change directory into our myAI where all our containers are kept. Use nano to open our Docker Compose file. Copy and paste the Whoogle Compose file entry from the description below. This file runs the Whoogle image and maps port 5000 so we can open it at http://localhost 5000. Unless stopped mean it will restart if it crashes. I always run Docker Compose down to stop any old containers, then build to make sure I have the latest image, and finally up D to start Whoogle fresh in the background. Let's visually confirm in Portainer that the container came up cleanly. Green means it's running, and healthy means it passed its health check. I'm opening Whoogle in my browser to test it. The big difference from Google is privacy. Whoogle gives you Google search results without ads, tracking, or profiling. It's self-hosted, so your searches stay between you and your server, and it works without all the clutter Google throws at you. Let's just do a quick web search on F1, an update on the news, and to finish, let's have a look at maps. All live on the web through our own hosted search engine. Now, from our terminal, we are going to run some text to check Whoogle is working properly already for its integration with Open WebUI tomorrow. I confirm it's up, read the last log lines, and check the site returns to 100 OK. I'm adding Python requests and beautiful soup to fetch and parse results, plus JQ to pretty print JSON. Now to create our Whoogle command line script. This script queries Whoogle, extracts real links and titles, skips internal links, and limits to 5 results. Next, let's run a query to find Docker Compose best practices, and then format the JSON so it's easy to read. I grab the top 3 URLs and copy them to the clipboard to paste into Open WebUI. I ask CodeBeard to summarize the links into bullet points.
Armady, you've brought me links about best practices for Docker Compose.
That's it for day 13. We've sharpened our Linux skills with powerful find commands, had some fun with PV, even making cows talk and the terminal speak, and built our own private search engine with Whoogle that's ready for AI use. Tomorrow, we'll take the next step and hook Whoogle directly into Open WebUI so our AI can search and summarize without us leaving the chat. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Bye for now.